welcome back to my channel. My name is Satya Kamala. Hope you guys are all doing well. So guys, in today's video I'm going to review the K Beauty's new eyeshadow palette. So they have 4 different varieties. So I bought the Self Love. So this is what it looks like. So I'll be doing a look using this palette, guys. If you want to know my full review and the look, do continue watching. And if you're new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe. Now without any further delay, let's get into the video. So guys, let me start with the packaging. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's so bulky, a big packaging. They have introduced 4 different styles or designs of palettes. So they have some cool tones, warm tones, and some berry tones. I have bought this Self Love. So let me open the packaging. So we have this one. Inside that they have one more packaging. So they have created unnecessary, I think, 2 different packaging. So when you slide, you get one more packet over here, and this is what the palette looks like. I really like the illustration of this palette, guys. It's very nice, very colorful, and very florally. Generally I love florally design. If you can see my top, I have very flowery things, so I really like this packaging. So when you open this, this is what the shade looks like. You get a transparent sheet over here. So they have a mirror too, and you get 9 different shades of colors. So I have bought in this kind of a berry and mauvish kind of a tones. I generally like to gravitate towards these kind of a colors when I'm doing a very basic everyday kind of a look. So I really like this one, guys. So they are priced at rupees 1199, basically worth 1200 rupees. Currently Nykaa had a 40% discount for summer offer. I bought it for 20% discount. I think for 900 rupees I bought this palette. So I feel a little bit expensive when compared to all other palettes I own. Like these are 9 shades eyeshadow palette. I feel a little bit pricey, but when you see the pan, it's bigger for the general standard packaging. But anyhow, I feel a little bit pricey when comes to the price. So now let me swatch some of the shades for you guys. I generally don't swatch a lot of shades. I'm gonna swatch this these 3 shades, and let me see. So these are the 4 different shades I have swatched. So this contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 matte shades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this contains 6 matte shades, 3 shimmery shades. One of this shade is a little bit foil metallic kind of a shade. These 2 shades feel a little bit less shimmeriness when compared to this one. So when we swatch on our eyelids, we can see the difference how it performs. But they are really pigmented. When I just swatch it, it just transferred on my fingers very immediately. So I'm gonna start with the lighter shades. First I'm gonna take this light shade. It's a light mauvish kind of a shade. I'm using the Pro Arte PE23 brush to pack and blend this shadow. So yeah, nice pigmented shade. So this shade has little bit more darker than my skin tone. So if you're lighter than me, this shade would will be a nice transition and crease shade. I'm using this as transition shade. Next I'm gonna take this dark berry kind of a shade. I'm using the same brush because it's very precise, so it just packs the shadows very easily. And as you can see, the pigment is really nice and blending beautifully on my eyelid. So as a crease shade, this is really nice. So the shadows are little bit powdery, but there is no fallout on my eyelid. That's a very plus point. Next I'm gonna use this darker shade. I'm gonna place this on my outer corner. So I'm using the again Pro Arte PE23 brush. I really like this brush to pack the shadows. Wow, it's beautifully blending, you know. As you can see, the shades are really pigmented. So K Beauty products never disappoint me. Only the price points feels a little bit disappointed. I need to wait to get the product in discount. So next I'm gonna take this darker shade in the palette, which is called Mocha. I'll be using a Vichy blending brush to this. I'm gonna pack this on my outer V, so just to give a smoky effect. I'm just trying all the shades in the palette. so you no need to use all the shades like me. So next I'm gonna use this shimmery shade. It's a really berry shade. I really like this shade. It feels a little bit foil kind of a shade. This is a shade called Sangria. I'm gonna place this on my inner corners of my eyes. Oh my god, as you can see, the pigment is thebomb.com. Beautiful pigment. Wow. So I'm gonna take little finger to make it little bit more pop. Wow, with the fingers, you know guys, it's just amazing pigment. So if you want these kind of shades to give that super metallic finish, use your fingers. So I'm gonna use this shade as my inner corner shimmery shade. So I'm just using all the shimmery shades. Wow, so it's little bit lighter pinky kind of a shade with a hint of mauvish. Perform beautifully on my eyelids, as you can see. So I'm just going to blend the edges with the previously used shades. So I'm gonna use the dark berry shade on my lower lash line. So I'll be taking the darker shade which we used on my outer corners of my eyelid. I'm gonna use the transition shade on my inner corners. So I'm gonna use this shimmer shade as my inner corner highlighter. So this is what the eye look I created using the K Beauty eyeshadow palette. I really like the blending and how it performs on my eyelids. So let me finish with the kajal liner mascara, and I'm gonna tell you my final thoughts on the palette. So guys, this is the final makeup look. I just put a liner, kajal and falsies. I really needed a falsies for this dramatic eye makeup look. I am a person who loves this kind of a berry kind of a shades. If you follow me from beginning, I really like this kind of a shades, guys. The shades blended beautifully, as you can see in the video. So everything is really nice. All the shades are blending beautifully one on each other, and the shimmer shades also really nice. You can create multiple looks using the K Beauty eyeshadow palette in Self Love. I really like the palette, guys. From my side, I give a big thumbs up to the palette. Only the con I feel is the price point. It's a little bit pricey when compared to the palettes which we have in the market now. So other than that, everything is nice. So by the way, I'm wearing the lipstick from K Beauty only, and the lip liner I'm using the shade Applause, and the shade lipstick I'm using the matte lip liner in the shade Fashionista. So both the combinations really nice. On top of that, I used a Revolution Hydro Balm in the shade Triple. I'm gonna leave the product links in the description box, so please do check that out. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please give this video a big thumbs up, comment below what is your opinion, and if you already purchased this palette, do let me know in the comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe and click the bell icon. Whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. So I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, take care. Mwah.